the man with the magic wand, it is said, I got some statistics about the kind of work that you have been doing. May I please share it with some of the work that you've been doing, Mr. Sharma? And I wonder whether it is you or you have two clones of yours. But there have to be three of you then, if you've actually done this. Viewers, Himanta Biswa Sharma has done 294 kilometers of road shows, 72 kilometers of padyatras. He must have lost some weight. 124 kilometers he's done on cycle rallies. This man alone has done 102 public meetings in 95 constituencies in 28 days. So without doubt, he's a man on a mission. You are one of the fiercest leaders that Assam has seen. And you're becoming a bit of a legend, if I may say so, Mr. Sharma. How do you view these numbers that Republic is projecting?
Arnab, first of all, I'd like to thank you for the words you have spoken about me. But for the viewers, I am humble worker of Bharatiya Janata Party, and I have done whatever is possible physically and mentally for an individual. So far as result is concerned, I am of the firm opinion that Bharatiya Janata Party, AGP and UPPL combined will have a huge majority and will win like last year, and our vote share will go up, and probably this will create a sort of records in the Assam political history that twice a incumbent government has strike 80 marks, 80 or above.
That is true. You've been with the Congress earlier. Is this the end to the Congress grasp in Assam? The first, the first alliance inflicted an upset in the 2014 elections. Then 2016, BJP captured power. This is probably the last chance for the Congress to have kept a foothold, don't you think?
Arnab, electorally, as a political worker, I believe that every election poses challenge to you. So what will be challenges in the next election, I do not want to anticipate right now. But Congress, by aligning with UDF, Congress, by aligning with Badruddin Ajmal, has for all the time to come, Congress has lost whatever it has little bit of confidence, little bit of trust with the Assamese mainstream people or the tribal people of Assam for all the time to come. Arnab, you remember in 1983 when Congress participated in that illegal election, it took years after years to regain those lost ground. Perhaps in 2001, Congress party has regained those lost ground because of the mistake they have committed in 1983. Today, it is a bigger mistake. They have aligned with Badruddin Ajmal, they have run a communal campaign thoroughly, and they have alienated Assamese mainstream people. So I think it will take now at least next 30 years again to Congress gain some footholds amongst the Assamese majority people or tribal people of Assam, provided after 30 years some good thinking people comes into Congress, and I pray for that. But as of now, I strongly believe that Congress will no longer be accepted. Congress will be remembered as a betrayer by the Assamese mainstream people and the tribal people of our state.